What's going on, YouTube family? I'm back. It's your boy, Not a Celebrity, coming at you with another sneaker review. Sorry I've been away. I've been sick. Literally, I don't know what the hell it was. I went to the doctors. They told me it wasn't the flu, but that joint felt like the flu. I was really sick. Couldn't really move around and stuff. The cough was horrible. But I'm back now, guys. So sorry for the delay. And here's the new videos. So here we have the Air Jordan 1 Defiant High OG, and a lot of people slept on these. These are fire, man. Like that band 1 X, when you put them together, it's really dope. They should have probably done the brushing, like to make it look like a real brush, not that straight line that it has right here. I figured it would look better with the actual brush stroke. So here on the bottom, it's a predominantly like a sail off-white type of bottom, and the sides you got your whole black upper with this like premium looking leather material, because it doesn't feel premium like that. It doesn't bounce back. It's not like a shattered backboard leather. You got your tongue. Your tongue is also that same shiny leather material. The inside over here, the inside is, you got your red insole. It's kind of like satin, and then this lining over here is also satin lining. So if you have like the satin shattered backboards or the satin royals and stuff, this is probably the same satin material that they used on those. But I guess since these weren't very limited and they didn't have satin on the outside, so all you hype beasts out there didn't want them. We passed on these buddies, but that's okay, whatever. Then you got your leather Nike Air on the tongue right there. Check it out. You got your Wings logo in black, as you can see there. On the inner, black. You see your swoosh is red on both sides, on both shoes. You got your red swoosh. It's pretty dope, man. This shoe is really dope. It's a very slept-on shoe. I know people gonna talk about the creasing or whatever. You see, there's a little bit of creasing. I haven't worn them yet, but whatever. Doesn't really matter. I mean, I remember a lot of you dudes out there talking about, oh, my ones are better creased, but for some reason these, y'all don't want to crease. I don't get it, but whatever. Yeah, I mean, y'all tell me in the comments below what y'all think of these. $175 that these cost, a $15 price hike from the regular $160, but still overall it's not bad. I mean, that satin in the inside is pretty dope. It looks like it feels really good. Can't really tell me when you put them on yet. I gotta throw these puppies on. They'll be sitting in the box. I got them maybe like 2 days before I got sick, so I didn't really get to like look at them myself and try them on. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share this video, even if it's with just one person. Just share the video one time. That's all I ask. And I appreciate all you guys, and thank you for waiting around and checking up on me and see how I'm doing. So just rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.